If you trust yourself and you believe in yourself, you really are capable of anything. But some of the greatest lessons that I've learned as an author have absolutely been just dive in, just have a go, give it a crack. Because at the end of the day, we never really know what we're truly capable of until we have a go. If you trust yourself and you believe in yourself, you really are capable of anything. It's believing in yourself first, though. That's the real key to this. And if you can believe in yourself, so will others. Let's Go Racing has been one of the most amazing projects that I've ever had happen to me in my life, and I've been so excited to work on it. And I actually can't wait to see where this journey goes, because what's really exciting for me after 20 years in television, I'm now embarking on a new career journey that's really just at the beginning. So back to my original point, you just never know where things might lead. You've just got to dive in and have a go.